Gardening with succulents and cacti is popular because these plants are drought-tolerant and self-sustaining once established. Lots of these plants are incredibly hardy, even in northern gardens. Here are some of the best year-round hardy succulents and cacti for any sharply drained sunny garden, rock garden, or trough planting. Hardy ice plants are beautiful and easy to grow. Many of these little southern African beauties are hardy to USDA hardiness zones 6 to 7. They hug the ground and spread and have brilliant spring or summer flowers. Try pretty hybrids like Delosperma fire spinner or Delosperma mesa verde. These true cacti from the Americas are very prickly with petal-like stems. Many are hardy to USDA hardiness zones 4 to 6. Their brilliant spring flowers are bee favorites and come in shades of yellow, orange, magenta, or pink. Choose super hardy selections like devil's tongue, brittle prickly pear, or tulip prickly pear. Several small North American barrel cacti can survive to zones 4 to 6. They're spring-blooming, bee-pollinated, and have bright flowers in shades of yellow, magenta, or apricot. Try Claret Cup, lace hedgehog cactus, or Lee's spiny star cactus. There are numerous species and varieties of mat or clump-forming sedums for the garden, with pink, white, or yellow flower clusters. Most are hardy to hardiness zones 4 to 7. Bloom times vary and bees pollinate the flowers. Choose trusty cultivated varieties like Sedum Rock and Grow Superstar, Sedum Angelina, and Sedum Spurium Dragon's Blood. Hens and chicks have evergreen rosettes that form dense colonies and come in lots of shades and sizes. They're hardy to zones 4 to 7 and very easy to find at nurseries. Some favorites include Sempervivum Sioux and the cobweb-like Sempervivum arachnoideum. Yucca are perfect for adding a prickly vertical accent to arid gardens. Many are very hardy and all produce spired, ivory blooms in summer. Our favorites include Adam's Needle, Color Guard Yucca, and Banana Yucca. Semi-succulents from Mediterranean climates are generally hardy and make good companion plants to these cacti and succulents. 3 good companions include Sea Thrift, Myrtle Euphorbia, and Evergreen Candy Tuft. Hardy succulents will succeed in your garden if you choose succulents for your growing region, choose the right site, and amend your soil for maximum drainage. The best sites for succulents must have full sun, fast-draining soil with low fertility, high visibility because many of these plants are small, and raised or rocky soils. Fast drainage is so important for these plants, especially for hardy cacti. Here are some tips for maximizing your soil's drainage. First, raise the soil with layers of rock. Amend it with coarse potting mix like black gold cactus mix. Add coarse additives like pebbles, crushed granite, or coarse sand. And mulch with small rocks, pebbles, or shells. A well-crafted succulent garden should have mounded, spreading, prickly forms in pleasing colors. The spiky habits of yucca, ground-hugging rosettes of hens and chicks, mat-forming ice plants, and mounding shapes of hardy prickly pear lend unique textures and character to your garden. Vibrant flower color, a characteristic of many arid plants, completes the effect. Happy hardy succulent gardening!